Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need iOS 16 or newer and an iPhone 11 prepared to conserve battery. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Display and Brightness. Tap Always on Display if visible. On some builds, you enable lock screen options first. Make sure Low Power Mode is off, because it prevents always on. Also plug into power or charge above 50% to avoid unexpected shutdowns. This gets you into the right screens and prevents interruptions before the deeper configuration. Now, focus on the lock screen details so the always-on display shows useful info without wasting power. From lock screen settings, pick widgets and glanceable info. Choose minimal widgets to limit updates. Next, control notifications. Permit only essential apps to show on the dimmed screen because frequent notifications wake the full display. Connect a focus profile to the lock screen if you want different behavior during work versus personal time. These steps balance visibility with battery life and reduce annoying wake-ups. Finish by locking the phone and observing the dimmed lock screen. You should see a reduced clock, chosen widgets, and permitted notifications. If the feature doesn't appear, restart the iPhone, double-check iOS is current, and verify low power mode is off. These fixes solve most issues. Make sure auto-lock settings aren't conflicting and that focus rules aren't hiding content. If problems continue, reset display settings or visit Apple support, because persistent failures may indicate a software or hardware limitation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.